again. We are back for arithmetic. So we're simply going to do a review of our adding. Super simple, so we'll keep it quick so this video is not as long as all the ones yesterday. I'm so sorry about yesterday's video. But we simply start in the ones place in the right and work our way to the left. 6 plus 7. Good, I heard you. 13. And so I put 13. What? What did I do? What's wrong? Oh, I'm not supposed to put 13 here? Why? Oh, because our number 13 isn't just in the ones place. There are 3 ones, but there is a 10, and I can't put a 1 and a 10 in the ones place, right? So what has to come down then? My 3 in my ones place, then what do I do with that 10, that extra 1 that I have? That's right, I have to carry it to the next place. Now I add my tens place. 1 plus 5 plus 2. Excellent job. My answer is nice and loud. Good, it is 83. Good job. You guys are awesome. All right, so now that we know that we have to carry over, now we can do longer addition. Now we can do bigger numbers. So we've got 3 addends for this one because remember it's addend, sum. So this one would be addend, sum because we're just adding all of these together. All right, so 6 plus 9. So in normal class time, when I do 6, then you tell me the answer. Okay, so 6, 15, 17. That's how I want you to answer when we're in class, okay? My 7 comes down. My 1 gets carried over. And now I add my tens place. 1, 4, 5, 10. That's how I want you to answer. Okay, did that make sense? My 0 comes down and my 1 goes over to the top. Remember, you can't put the 1 down here and the 0 up here. That wouldn't make sense. But it also wouldn't be 10 that way. It would be 1. So we'd carry over the tens place. Then I add my hundreds place because it goes to the hundreds. 1, 8, 10, 16. Good job. And then I have 4 digits. Don't leave it without being closed. So I have to put my 1,000 comma in there, right? Because remember that comma says 1,000. So when I read this number, it is 1,607. There's no tens, 7 ones, 600s, and 1,000. Because we know our place value, that's going to help us with our numbers. Good job. You guys did awesome on that. All right, so let's look at our list of numbers here. We're simply going to decide whether we're going to round to the next or if we're going to get stuck and not be able to go up the roller coaster. So 23. What 2 tens is 23 between? There are 2 tens. Remember, we always start with the number in the tens place. We start with the 20, and then we go to the next 10, which would be 30. So 23 is going to be between 20 and 30. Where is it going to be closest to? Are we going to go up and over the hill to 30, or are we going to get almost up the hill, but have to roll back down? What is it going to be? Yes, I heard you. Good job. High five. 20. We have to go back down to 20 because it's only at 3. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can't go any more. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go on a higher 10 date. I don't know. I'm not that clever. I'll think about it and see if I find something more clever, but 5, oh no, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, duh. we can go over just fine. That good? You guys are a tough bunch. Okay, anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, we can't go up anymore. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got over the hill just fine. Anyway, so 23 goes back to 20, right? Don't make fun of me. 76, where is that going to go? Is that going to be able to go over and be just fine? Or are we going to have to go back? It's going to go to what? Round it to the nearest 10, so it would be 80. Yes, 76 goes to 80. What about 85? 90, very good. What about 39? That one's really easy. That is going to round to 40. What about 61? We have to go back. That rounds down back to 60. So remember, this first digit, or the tens place digit, is where it's going to be between, okay? So it's going to start with 20 and end with 10 more, 30. It's going to start with 70, 10 more, 80. It's going to start with 80, 10 more, 90. Start with 30, 40, 60, 70. Does that make sense? That's how we find the nearest 10, because 23 is in between 20 and 30. 76 is between 70 and 80. 85 is between 80 and 90. 39 is between 30 and 40. And we're just seeing which 10 it's closest to. So if you can get that down, it's going to be a lot easier for you when we start rounding to the nearest 100 or thousands or whatever. But understanding that this digit is what we're going to look at, because this is where our number is going to be in between. If we had a number line, 23 is going to be in between 20 and 30. 76 is going to be in between 70 and 80. I think that makes sense, right? Hopefully. All right, good job, guys. You did so well with that. Now, I'm going to show you some cards to see how well you do. Now, whenever I show you these cards, we haven't done these yet, but whenever I show you cards, it's never the first card. Say it with me. Never the first card. So when I pull up my cards, you're not going to go, oh, add it. No, it's not this card. It's going to be the card that I come from here with. So it's never the first card. Say that again. Never the first card. Okay? So, what is this? Good. And all you have to say is the answer. You don't have to say 1 day equals. All you say is, what is 1 day equal? 24. Okay? Just 24 hours, because that's what it is. Good. What about this one? 3. Did you say 36, some of you? Look at it carefully. Remember when I threw the yardstick down on the ground and I walked it? How many feet did I walk? I just went 1, 2, 3. 3 feet in 1 yard. 3 feet. So just say 3. 12. Good. That's all you have to say is 12. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 60. Good. 60 again. Good. What is this one? Subtraction. I heard you. Say it louder. Yes, I heard some of you. Minuend, subtrahend, difference. Everyone, minuend, subtrahend, difference. Good. What about this one? Yeah, you all know that one. Better say it loud and clear. Add and sum. Good. You guys did excellent with those. So make sure you know your measures, because this is just the beginning. Good. Yes. Good. I'm going to trick you. Yeah, you thought it was going to be 60 again, didn't you? You never know with Miss Monroe, so just be careful and watch carefully. Good. Good. You guys did awesome with that. All right, so I'm going to stop the video here, because that was just review, and then we'll do our new concepts for today. I'll see you in the next video.